Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences.
In this video we will discuss the new topic that is how to set up BrosTrend AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender. With the help of this video we will walk through the easy and short steps that help to complete the setup process and provide the seamless connectivity all of your workstation. We will set up BrosTrend AC1200 extender using the two methods. One is manual method and second one is WPS method. In this video we will discuss both these methods one by one. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will start the manual setup. Firstly, unbox BrosTrend AC1200 extender. Inside the box, you should find the BrosTrend AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender, a user manual, and possibly a quick start guide. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. Now take a electronics device like smartphone, tablet, or computer. On your computer or mobile device, connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, e.g., BrosTrend_EXT. Now take a electronics device like smartphone, tablet, or computer. On your computer or mobile device, connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, e.g., BrosTrend_EXT. Use the default login credentials provided in the user manual to log in. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. After completing the setup wizard, the extender will reboot and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Ensure it's within the range of your router's signal. Plug the extender into a power outlet and wait for the LED indicators to stabilize. Now move on the next setup process, that is WPS method. WPS method is the easiest way to set up the BrosTrend AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. Make sure that your router and extender is placed in the same room. Find the WPS button on your router and the extender. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for a few seconds. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the BrosTrend Wi-Fi range extender. The WPS LED on the extender will start blinking. Once the WPS LED turns solid green, the extender is connected to your router. Now your BrosTrend AC1200 Wi-Fi extender setup is complete.
Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.